Although it's, oh, my camera is so blurry.
And we were
It's a
gonna go
giant...
get ice cream, and this guy would.
Come on. I think it's a Piper.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, this is very blurry.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's like this. Maybe it's just because it's zoomed in. No, that's like, I think that's a P-51.
Really?
I can see like
Look, there's one below it, an airplane.
the canopy. Oh, that's a 767.
Alright.
I don't know how I can
People
tell.
think you're filming.
So, I mean, gotta get all I can. So. Ooh!
Alright, come on.
Guys, with a lack of jets. There were two propeller planes that were all the way over there in the woods, and I couldn't see them. But here comes another one too. But look at the nice sky. That's really what I stopped here to see.
I'm gonna
But
take a panoramic.
like, yeah, no, I don't. Oh, okay. Okay, so if you saw the light, everyone, you probably didn't, cause this camera kind of.
In the shot, Ethan.
Cause this camera kind of sucks.
Mm-hmm.
Cause it. Anyways, yeah. It's gone. So we're gonna go alien hunting, yay! There's another weird looking vapor trail over there. Oh, is it? That looks like it's, that looks like some, that might be a rocket. It looks like it's blowing up. That's not good. It looks like something's blowing up, like in the air. It moved, but. Here comes another one. I think it's, you know, I'm just gonna guess it's a CRJ-200 because that's pretty small looking. Although I'm not really in a good mood right now. It might be a 737. No, I think it's a 717. I can actually see the jet, like the whole thing. I know the camera can't, but in real life I can. Wow. Yeah, 717, so sure tricked me. Why is it? That's the first time I've seen the. No, I can't. So, whoa, here comes another one. This might be something a little bigger, hopefully. Sorry guys, this is like pitch black because at first my cousin wanted to come out here, but she just decided to be whiny because it's too cold. I mean, to me it's pretty warm out here. So I don't know. Oh, okay. Now it's behind the trees. I'm pretty confident that that's a 737. Yeah, it is just about as dark as the camera showing it as. It's pretty cool looking. Like you can just see the ground. The brightness thing doesn't even work. Like it doesn't do anything. Like if I turn the brightness down, it looks exactly the same. It used to work. I guess it stopped. I'm so mad right now, man. I don't know what to do. We got a street lamp over here. And we've got couple actual jets over here. I don't know why the lights show up as blue. Like, I've been messing around with the brightness settings. I've been changing the brightness so much. And nothing's happened. Oh, here we go. I don't even know if the camera is actually pointing at it or not. You know, because it's pitch black and all. There's a jet. This is so stupid. Guys, I promise tomorrow I'll be in a better mood. Like, I'm just a little mad right now. But why is the light turning up blue? Like, are aliens doing something to my tablet, man? Every single light turns up blue. I need to check the lights in the house. They don't turn up blue. Okay. This is just getting stupid. Ugh. Sometimes I wish I lived all the way over there, you know, where they turn. They usually, like, sometimes when they really want to take us off, they turn way over there. They're not doing that right now, but I could not be in a worse place right now, honestly. And I'll probably see you guys in the next one, unless something epic happens, unless there's some kind of big old giant A380 or helicopter or whatever popping up here. I'm just gonna turn the video off. Let's see what this is. Sounds pretty big.
Oh yeah, it's huge.
It's probably a really small one. Oh, that might be an A310. Or... Nope, it's a 767. I don't know how I can tell when it's...
Whoa, there it goes.
Or... No, it's not a 3-engine jet. The wings aren't swept back enough. Man. That's either an A310 or a 767. I think it's an A310, though, because of the sound it's making. Alright. I can barely hear you. I knew that thing had jet. It's a 717. No, I'm done. I'm gonna stop filming this. This is getting stupid.